be showing you how to get the joystick hack on Pokemon Go. So, first you gotta go to Safari, go to Tutu app VIP. The link will be in the description. Go to regular, download now, install. Should install, takes quick. So as it installs, see when you go like this. Yep. Yeah. Anyway, soon as it installs, you gotta go to Trust. Oh yeah, profile and device management. Go to Tutu app helper. Start now. Should be the first one. It's gonna start downloading. You're gonna go install. This one takes quick as well. It's gonna be like the same thing, and if I get 20 subscribers, I'm giving away a level 10 Pokemon account. Okay, so same thing as before. Oops. Go to this, I think. Trust it. Now, then press it. There you go. Now, you've got a joystick. Now I'm just going to cut it. Okay, for that. Okay, don't worry about cutting it. Now, I won't be giving away this account, but here you go. You've got your joystick. Now you can walk without moving your butt. So if you just want to go here, I'm not up to any, but I'll show you my Pokemon from highest to lowest. So go combat power. So I've got Magnemar as my highest, Sparky is my second highest. Oh wait, you know what? I'm gonna transfer this one. Yep, now I'll be able to get it up. So, see you next time in the video. Suggest what you would like to do next. Bye!